Good morning, children. Hope you all have started study. So today again I am going to teach you chapter 8 allergy part 2. In the last class we have already covered few topics related to this chapter, like introduction of allergy, what are the causes and symptoms of allergy, what are the food items that cause allergy, and what are the agents that cause allergy. When these allergen, you can see this picture, when these allergen enters into our body through any route, whether it is nose, mouth and skin, it triggers our immune system and produce or generate antibodies and chemicals and produce allergic reactions and symptoms. Now in this class we will study about types of allergy. What are types of allergies? On the basis of period of allergy are of two types. First one is seasonal and second one is perennial. What is seasonal allergy? It develops only during specific season. It comes and goes with the season. Some common seasonal allergies are spring allergies, that is caused by pollen grains. Summer allergies, this usually triggered by or caused by pollens from grasses and weeds. Fall allergies, it is caused by ragweed, molds and dust mites. Winter allergies, it is caused by molds and dust mite. And hay fever, which is also called as allergic rhinitis, which is caused by allergic reactions to pollen grains. Hay fever can be seasonal allergy or perennial allergy. Now what is perennial allergy? It appears at any time year round. Any time it can occur. Some perennial allergies are, as you can see on the slide, indoor allergies, which is caused by dust, mold, cockroaches, feather, bird feather and all, and pet dander, domestic pets hairs and all. Next is food allergy, which is caused by insect bites. Now on the basis of causative agent, some common allergies are respiratory allergies. They are also seasonal one. Food allergies, few people are allergic to milk also, wheat also, nut also, that we have already discussed in last class. Skin allergies, these may be contact dermatitis, which shows symptoms like red and itchy rashes at the point of contact. Urticaria, it is an outbreak of swollen pale red patches on the skin. Skin allergy, these may be contact dermatitis. It can be by poisonous plant sap or allergy due to insect sting. All is a kind of skin allergy. The symptom of these allergies are redness, swelling of that area, itchiness, etc. Other types of allergies occur due to the sun. UV rays, when skin get exposed to a UV rays, harsh ultraviolet rays. Some people are allergic to cosmetics also, which irritate their skin. Some people are allergic to metals also, like nickel and gold. They cannot wear such jewelry. Some have allergic to drugs. Some have allergy to aspirin, penicillin, other sulfa drugs, etc. So today we have learned types of allergy. There are two types of allergy mainly, seasonal and perennial. Based on that, our immune system trigger. So in the next class we will learn about anesthetic reaction and diagnosis of the allergy. Thank you. We will continue in the next class.